New to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest notification about technology. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Innovative Tech YouTube channel. Here we are going to do an unboxing of a speaker which is actually for your car. So let's get started and see what's inside this box. So this video I am making especially for your car segment. On this channel we do unboxing of car accessories and home automation and electronic gadgets which are used for your day-to-day life and make your work easier. So this is one of the device, basically a car speaker which can be installed on your car and it can be upgraded on your existing speaker. It is a very good speaker. You can use it for your home audio. You can use it for your car audio. Let's unbox and see what's inside this box. About this brand, so this is especially an brand which is non-Chinese. Yeah, I'm giving an emphasis on non-Chinese. It's not a Chinese brand, it's a UK based brand, and these days because we do have a lot of brands coming in, so this is one of the brand which is actually very good in terms of audio, and this brand name is Vibe. Yeah, you heard it correctly, it's Vibe Coaxial speakers, which we are going to unbox it right now. So this is the box and the package seems to be not that good, seems to be an old outdated package, but let's see what's inside this. Okay, so let's unbox it. And I don't have the bill here, I can't see a bill here, but on the box it does say 6-inch coaxial pulse 6C-V4 6.5 2-wedge coaxial loudspeaker. Basically this is not English, it is some other language, but it reads that. And then you can see here the branding 180 watts coaxial speakers, and something is mentioned over here, not sure what is this, but the package seems to be an old one, it's not a new, but the delivery, it came from a reputed seller, so we'll see. Okay, so on this side you can see the branding is there, and this is how the speaker looks. You can see the looks. It does have a wire mesh here, so that covering is there, and it's a steel mesh basically, and then it has a outer covering which is made of plastic. Okay, and the nominal output for this is 60 watt, but the maximum output is 180 watts. And since it is a coaxial speaker, you won't find the tutor separate, it will be attached on with the speaker itself. You can see in this photograph here the branding Vibe Pulse here, and we'll turn it back and see what else is there. So if you can see, it says coaxial speaker contains a woofer and a tweeter mounted together. So this is what it says, and it has IMPP cone. IMPP cone is very good for your voice, basically smooth low bass. It's not for high bass, but it's for a low bass. Then you have the PEI tweeter. It is very important in terms of very high frequency and the treble. You get a good treble with that. And then it has the spade terminal, allows easy connection of the speaker cable. So basically the spade terminal is also used. You can just punch in the speaker, you don't have to solder it always. And then steel mesh, as I told you, this is a steel mesh, so it is providing a protection to the woofer and the tutor. And then ABS gasket. So this gasket is very important. So if you are trying to make it make a box or a studio monitors with this speakers, you can do that. It is applicable for both, so you can use it for home, you can use it for your car. So all those things are there. Some specifications are given here. Pulse 6, the branding is there, and then 60 watt RMS, that's what I told you. You can see here the 60 watt RMS is the nominal wattage, and 180 watts is the peak wattage. Minimum input is 30 watts RMS, that is very minimum. Mounting depth is 53 mm, and mounting diameter is 5.6 inch, which is 141 mm. So basically you have to have a cutout of 5.6 inch, basically your 141 mm. That's the mounting diameter. And if you see about the frequency response, it does have a frequency response of 65 Hz to 20 kilohertz. That's amazing. And this is a 4 ohms speaker, it's not a 8 ohms speaker, so just have that in your mind. Some branding on this side as well, you can see. Okay, all range which has, and here also it is having. I am pretty much not sure about this packaging, but I cannot see a seal or that kind of thing, but I will open it. That's the reason I make this video. So let's see. Looks pretty used and rough packing here. Okay, so now I have connected my amplifier and the speakers are ready to test. So I'll play one no copyright music just for testing. So let's check it out.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I just gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I just gotta get through.
Is free, and then the gasket is also free, so that's pretty neat. So I will share the links in the description. You can buy from those links. It can be used for your studio monitors, right left channel, and this is basically a coaxial car speaker, so you can use it for that as well. So thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel, keep share our videos, like our videos. Thanks. Okay guys, I'm doing some building only. So today we are going to make a speaker box. As you can see, I have already joined the 4 sides and the top sides are still to join. So we are using this kind of nails. Okay, and this is a high quality MDF, a very high quality MDF, 11 mm. We are using it for studio monitors. You can see we are pasting it with Fevicol. We are pasting it with Fevicol on the interiors, and we are putting the nails here, small nails. Okay, so before putting the top segment, we are doing some sanding. It's a very high quality MDF board, and we will be using it for right left channel. For studio monitor, we can put 6-inch woofer. I will put in this. You can put 8-inch also, 7-inch depth can be also there. You can put 8-inch also, because this distance from here to here is 8.5, more than 8.5, so you can put that as well. So now I have sanded everything. I put the top cover. So after sanding, you need to clean this.